y'all. I ain't even see y'all over there. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, Anna Dollz, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome. So I'm bringing y'all this wig again for the second time, reusing it. It's from Juvid, and it's a 13x6 HD lace. Pre-plucked, it's 180% density, and it's wet and wavy. I purchased it in 18-inch, but I did cut it, y'all, and it's available in my Amazon storefront, so go check it down below.
Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite.